Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So, the severe weather threat has dramatically increased since yesterday's update, as we now have an enhanced risk of severe weather across central northern Alabama and central northwest Georgia in the orange, and this includes Birmingham, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, and Chattanooga, Tennessee. We have a slight risk of severe weather in the yellow today, extending up into the Tennessee Valley, covering much of the southeast, and a marginal risk in the dark green. Looking at today's tornado threat, the tornado threat has dramatically increased since yesterday's update, as we now have a 10% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location in this yellow shade area, and this includes Birmingham, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, and Atlanta, Georgia as well. And these tornadoes today, they're going to be mostly QLCS tornadoes in a big squall line that's moving across Alabama and Georgia. So these are going to be quick spin-up tornadoes. But if we get in these discrete supercells, we could get a couple of longer track, stronger tornadoes. So make sure you have a way of being notified for tornado warnings, especially if you live in the yellow area. We have a 5% tornado risk in the brown area and a 2% tornado risk in the green area today. Looking at the damaging wind threat, we have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location across this red shade area today. So a big damaging wind threat. 15% risk in the yellow area, 5% risk in the brown area. And looking at the hail threat, we have a 15% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the yellow shade area today, 5% chance in the brown. So taking a look at future radar, let's see if I can get the latest guidance on this. So looking at the 15Z run of the HRRR model, as of around 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, we have a line of strong and severe storms moving across north central, west Alabama, and Mississippi. We've seen at least one confirmed tornado around Utah and Moundville, Alabama this morning, with several tornado warnings. And going and timing this out as we go into around 11 o'clock a.m. Central Daylight Time, these storms are going to be approaching the Birmingham metro area as well as Chattanooga, and then going into around noon Central Time today. The storms are going to push across central Alabama toward Montgomery around 3 o'clock, and then towards Atlanta around 4 o'clock this afternoon, push across Georgia through the evening, and across the Carolinas between around 8 and 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. And then, as I mentioned earlier, it's going to be mostly a squall line with mostly embedded QLCS tornado spin-ups. But if we get any discrete supercells ahead of the line, we could be dealing with the longer track, stronger tornadoes, especially across portions of Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina. So make sure you are ready for tornadoes, for isolated, scattered, spin-up tornadoes. If you live across the, especially the yellow shade area today, make sure you have a way of getting tornado warnings, such as a NOAA Weather Radio, your phone, or other means. Thanks for watching today's severe weather update. Stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.